I'm Scotty Murphy. Welcome to the best setup guide for the LoRa radios and the Meshtastic software that will have you excited to start communicating in a whole new way. Imagine texting for free even when the cell towers or internet is down. This is an ESP32 board. It's got the little antenna connector here. The version 3 model is the newer one with a USB-C connector. It's made by Heltec. You can order it with the case like this from Amazon, or you can order one without a case and you can 3D print your own. Like I have, the link to download the plans is on Thingiverse. Here's the link, or you can scan the QR code. You may also need some batteries, screws, or a short USB cable. Now, I'm going to connect the ESP32 to my laptop with the serial drivers. First, let's go to meshtastic.org. Go to Docs up here. On the left menu, we click Getting Started. Then click Install Serial Drivers, ESP32 drivers. We see it's on Windows. Click USB to UART bridge. It takes us to another page. Click Downloads. Scroll down. The Virtual COM port, or VCP for Windows. Then click Open File under Downloads. Double click this. My computer is 64-bit, so I'm going to run the x64.exe program. Extract all. Click Extract. We are now in the folder where we put this. Double click. I'm choosing the x64.exe to run. I say yes. Next. I accept the agreement. Next. Finish. Let's go to Device Manager. DEV. There it is up there. I'm going to click and then say yes. There's my devices. And when I plug it in, there it is under ports. Now, let's update the ESP32 board. Go to Flasher, select Target Device. On the top in the middle, it says Heltec. Click. Right here is Heltec version 3. Let's choose the firmware. Scroll down. I want the newest stable. Click Flash. Scroll down. Then Continue. Full Erase. And click the green button. Select our device. Click Connect. Scroll down. I sped up the video drastically here. It takes about 15 minutes. When it's done, it'll be waiting for you to set the region. To set the region, a quick click on OK, a longer press on Got It. Now a quick click down to US. Now a long click reboots the device. You can also set the region using the app. We're going to go to the Google Play Store and download that next. Now, click the Downloads. Then we go to the middle where it says Android Play Store. Click Install on More Devices. Choose the device you want. Click Install. You enter your Google password. Next. OK. And it'll appear in your app drawer. Now, let's run this Meshtastic app. Get started. notification skip, location permissions while using the app. Next, click the red radio button. Bluetooth is disabled. Open settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on the radio. Go back. Okay, that's the one I want to connect to. Pair and connect. 798504. Okay. It's connecting. We see the nodes loading down here. First thing I'm going to do is go to settings. Then I want to go down to theme and select a dark theme. And then I want to go up to device, configuration, device. And the LED heartbeat, I don't like that. So you got to save that. And just to show you on the top menu, LoRa. The region is the United States. We already set that. If we click the conversations menu, we have long fast as the default public. But I want to add another channel. So I'm going to click settings. Click channels. So I'm going to hit plus and name it my chan. And then we have our encryption key. Save it. Now we have to send it to the radio. Once we send it, it'll show up into our conversations. If we want to share it, we hit this button. Share our QR code like that. We can generate a QR code, or we hit this button and we can scan. Let's let it use the scanner. We can scan a code from another device. I'll show you that later. Now here's all the nodes that are connected to the machine. This is the map menu. You have to be connected to the internet for it to load the Google map. But I want to show you under settings a very important thing. Since this radio has a battery, there's no way to shut it down. So you have to go to the administration menu, shut down, and then send. Now that we have one phone set up to one radio, we're going to communicate to this other radio. So we're going to go to the Mishtastic.org website and scroll down to Web Client. Try it out. And it says connect, so we're going to plug it in. Hit connect. Okay, now it's loading the information, the nodes. If I go to settings, channels. Now I have a T1 channel that I want to share, but I have the MyChan that I'm going to get off of here. I actually had to email it to myself because I cannot scan a QR with my laptop. So I take this link that I copied and I'm going to import, put that link in. I do not want to import the configuration, but I want to put it at channel 2 which is this one. And so we're going to have to save it in a minute. Okay, now I can click save. Okay, so this radio has all 3 channels, but I want to make them both be the same, so I'm going to now share them back. So on this phone, I'm going to scan. I see all the channels. I'm going to accept that. So now both radios are the same. Now let's send a message on the primary channel. Primary. Okay, it's connected. So I'm going to send a message on the primary channel from this radio. And we got it over here. Now on this one I'm going to go to T1 channel. TE. And I got it on this conversation as well. Now I'm going to send it on to my chan. My chan. So I've been getting it on. I can send a message back as well from, I'll just say from. And there it is on the laptop. Now let's do a range test. We go to web client, plug in our radio, hit connect, go to settings, then go down to module configuration, then go to range test, enable range test. Message interval, we're going to go 60 seconds, save. Now we're going to start getting messages on our other radio. And here we go. So let's take this radio and see how far we can go.